Sembut Menteri Rangba ubu kami ikitanat kampo ying uba Presiden Tensong hakalai terik jelio. Ulaong baka sorkar jela kampat pensangi setia ya ke projek lentirel. Henry ikan penyat syakmat tat hadien bayo ya ke jing menjurlang naki kenhun beper. Ula benrap baka jing dawa ban penteri kam ya ke inalain permit ILP. Kadang yai long kemat ke bakongsan na ke bentar kinong syong ke jela. Haba pensya ya kinong rem ke sorkar jela uba Presiden ulaong. Kamday ke jingkeli ban pensangi ya ke projek. Ngimpat juong bangin pensangi. Ke ay ke bangiong. Kalong bangin syim ya ke jing menjurlang jong baro ki kenhun beper. Kata ke day kamat ke bahak mat Ula banjur ba ke jing sengaw jong kipat ba ha ke baya day bat ke ILP. Kalong ke bas kiambha. Kumta ya mentahi ke kam ke bakong sanhi. Ke day halor kamat ke badang sateng. Baro ki kenhun beper bat kinong syong ke jela ki kwa ya ke ILP. Bat ladala ban menjur ya kene ya ke subjek ke baar ke bayade bat ke projek lintirel on saya keren ulaong. Halor ke jing terwa kiar sainar ha kaput ke India Bangladesh uba Presiden ulaong. Ba umpat yo setia ya ke jing tip ke batikna halor kene Henry lakmi lenti ba kene ke kam kan sami ha ke jing ya keren ha ke jing ya langka NEC. Ka 73rd NEC plenary kalalong hasilong naduk kalai terik jeliu haduk ka san terik jeliu bat on penyat ya ka da u menteri kampo ying kari u Amit Shah. Ya mentahi ngampat tip ya kani Henry ngatharai ba ka deiru banlong shibenta jong ka jing kren namar ya ka jing lang lapenlong ha ka bay dei bat ka roi kapar ka jing shngan jong ki jella ka than shatela mingi barok ka wei. Ngathikna bha le se on ya kren halor kani ka subject ulaong.
As of now, I am not aware about it, but I think it should be also part of the discussion, since the meeting is being organized to discuss about the development, the security of the entire northeastern states. I'm very sure maybe this subject so will be discussed. Well, it's not only the question of stopping it about this project. In fact, what we never said that we will stop. What we are saying is we would like to carry along everybody. All the stakeholders has to be also on board. I think that is the main issue. So right now, the most important issue as of today is about the pending issue. What is the pending issue? In fact, the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, what they wanted is number one is ILP. If that is considered, then the second subject of railway project can be discussed. The plenary session tomorrow is about the NEC. So leave aside that program. But when you talk about the pursuing the pending issues from the government side, yes, for sure. If we have the opportunity of meeting the Honorable Home Minister, we will surely apprise and we will surely talk to him again about the pending issues of one is ILP and number two is the 8th schedule language that we have already passed in the Assembly.